Howdy trainers, and welcome back to another video. Today I've got for you a pack of Obsidian Flames. Let's see if we can pull anything from this pack. Alright, looks like we got a fighter, boys. Come on. Okay, there we go. Alright, I'm experiencing some technical difficulties at the moment, folks. Okay, so without further ado, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the old card trick. And let's go ahead and see. Alright, and let's see what we have got. We have a clone, followed by Arboliva. And a Greta Hollow. Alright, no major hits from this pack, but that's okay. Ninetales. Poltergeist. Toad Scroll. Alright, that is all that I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, happy hunting.